Alright, good morning. Starting a new mural today, back in Concord. This one's gonna be a really powerful one. Excited to get started. It's a big wall. It's been power wash primed for me. I want to thank the homegirl Zore for setting this all up, organizing it, getting the funding, everything together. Kind of all in the last month or so. It's a big passion project for her. And this one has to do with the Iran protests going on right now, with the women tearing off their hijabs, fighting for their freedom, fighting for their independence from a long history of being oppressed. So yeah, excited to get started on this one. Should be a few days on it. Excited to get going. So we're on our way over. It's a cold morning. Look right here, you see 37 degrees out. Yeah, nice winter weather. Y'all think painting life is easy? Try painting in 37 degrees. And I ain't even complaining, because I'm sure there's muralists out there right now painting in much colder weather, but this is what we do. So hope you all enjoy, bringing you along for the journey. I think there's donuts waiting for us there, so get some sugar in us and get going. All right, see you on the wall. Here on the wall,
Alex, you need sunglasses.
about to get started. Here we go. Right, starting day 2, about to head over to the site. Yesterday was a good day, got a good start. To begin with, it was I got my proportions down a little small to begin with, so it made me have to kind of reevaluate, touch it up a little bit, so that it ended up taking a little longer. The fist and the face, I kind of started off small. What's interesting when you're on a lift putting up a mural like that, I mean, this one goes up about 25, 30 feet. What's tricky is when you're so close to the wall, everything looks big, so you have to kind of push yourself to go bigger than what your eye feels like it should be. And so it's been a while since I've worked solely on a lift for the mural, so it was a learning curve in the beginning, but corrected it, and after that was able to get some good progress going, and got the face up there, got the birds all outlined for the most part, and yeah, today should be fun. Starting to get the rest of the color filled in, put all the details in, try and knock out as much as possible, and get it close to done. Start of day 2 on the wall, all by myself. So just gonna get going. Have you all with me. Gonna start working on this face some more. Gonna get it all fine-tuned. Have fun today. Get a lot of detail in. So hope you all enjoy. Start of day 3. Good about the progress. Big portrait. This is a massive machine that I've been using. Hopefully today's the last day. Finish up strong. Gotta get some writing in. Finish all the details on the birds. Get the hair all the way out. That should be good. Nice and sunny. Should be a good day.
A few moments later.
Make sure to wear your sunscreen. It is brutally hot. You see hardly any clouds in the sky, especially when you got a white base. As you can see we have here. It's like having 2 suns baking you from both directions. Drink lots of water. Stay hydrated and wear sunblock. And probably not a good idea to wear black like me. But here I am. Anyways, back to painting. Coming along. Getting these birds in. daylight here, but pretty much done. Gonna add a few more finishing touches on the face and just get all my last touches in before I lose complete light. Still up on the lift. See the sun almost down behind me. It's been a fun project, important project. Shed light on the Iranian struggle going on right now, the women, and just the people in general in Iran. Protests all around the world, trying to shed light on their struggle. I'm glad I was asked to be a part of this. I hope this furthers the cause for humanity. It's been fun, it's been real. On to the next.